If you've updated your iPad recently to iOS 26 and suddenly your split screen feature disappeared, don't worry, you're not the only one. I spent way too much time trying to figure this out, so here's the quick fix. Go into your Settings app, look for the multitasking window. Apple changed a few things with the latest update, and some of these devices had features turned off or moved during the update process. Once you re-enable the setting, you should be able to open two apps side by side again and use your iPad the way you're used to using it. For me, this was one of the major selling points. This was driving me absolutely crazy because I use split screen all the time for work, content creation, and everyday tasks. Hopefully, this saves you some time and frustration. If it helped, leave a comment and let me know what other iPad tips you might like to see. Catch you in the next video.